he sees it. He's got it.
Yeah. Oh my god. He's sick. He's like sick in the head.
I'm gonna kill you and play with your dead body.
Oh my god. Oh. That's why he wanted to go outside so bad just now.
Gross.
I know. It was kind of cool. He was just, I just let him out, like, right when you came in. Just then. So he, like, remembered. He, like, thought about it. He's like,
Oh my god.
my bird. Oh my.
That's so disgusting. He's gonna smell.
I know, I should probably give him a bath after he plays with this dead animal. It's all... Is that it right there? That white thing? Oh, it's right there.
That's by the white thing.
He's having so much fun with that. I wonder why he won't eat it, though.
Some cats don't. They just kill and then play with it.
Yeah. Well, because he eats food here, I guess. He's not hungry. Oh my god.
Let me give you a hug.
With my teeth.
It's like on the cinder block right now.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Is it in there? Did it get stuck?
I know. So what I told her.
Toothpick.
Toothpick. Guys, get some feathers out of my teeth. Oh. I hope that cinder block stays there.
Yeah,
Can you imagine that? Like, that would hurt.
why is that there anyway?
To hold it down, I guess, from the wind.
Get up. Oh, you got it.
Yay. It was gonna get up. He's getting bored. Did you see Tony?
Yeah, I went and talked to him for a really long time, and Carol and Trevor.
How are they doing?
Good.
How's his face look?
There's
What?
like brown here.
Oh, really?
Like dark brown, like dead skin.
Yeah?
And like up here and stuff.
Yeah.
He's like, I just want it to come off.
Is it shiny and stuff?
Oh no, it looks really dull. So.
Yeah. I should go over there and look at his face. Is it stuck in there again? He keeps putting it in there, like on purpose. Because this makes it harder for him to get it out. I think he likes it right now.
It's a challenge.
Yeah. He noticed you.
Oops. Oh, hi. I think you guys are watching me.
I know. I should change his name to like Dexter or Ted Bundy or something.
Ted Bundy. My pet's name is Ted Bundy.
Yeah. Dexter is a better name.
It's not in there. You just had it in your mouth. What the hell?
Dummy. Whoa. Why does he keep looking there? Is that where he stashes all of his dead bodies?
Maybe.
I was wondering why he wanted to go outside so bad. He was like, meow. And then I opened the window and he was gone. At the door. He wanted to go play with his dead bird. Sicko.
Can you see better from over there? Oh, yeah.
It's like focusing on the screen though right
Yeah.
now. That's weird. Stop doing that. How do I guess if I go like that.
There you go.
What is he doing? Licking. I want to go outside and see what he's doing. Oh my god, is he eating it?
Oh god, he's eating something.